don't think there are any political problems between US and India, but certain economic developments have taken place, essentially because the US administration brought out certain tariff restrictions and conditions. It all arose out of that. But that I see it as an aberration. It is nothing to do with the lasting relationship which exists between India and the United States. We are the two largest democracies in the world and committed to rule of law.
Absolutely.
Therefore, we have some global responsibilities of ensuring development throughout the world. And development is not possible without good, cordial economic relations. Our relationship with US has been very productive.
Right. So when Mr. Bhasin, when you talk to companies from the United States, what is the sense that you're getting in terms of how they're looking at India despite all of these tensions that were there in the relationship?
No, the US corporate world is very much interested in making investments in India. And you already see that we have Microsoft here, Accenture here, Amazon here, everyone is here. But they need to expand. And they are looking for opportunities, which India definitely is providing them.
Right.
And
right. So when we talk about this partnership between India and the United States, I'm sure that you had, meetings and dialogue with Indian government stakeholders as well. Now that we're given to understand from government sources that the deal, the first tranche of it, is near completion, and it could be announced soon. What are the key concerns that you, as an industry member, have flagged off with the government?
You see, the hiccups, I would say, are in the nature of our over-regulation. We have too many regulations which restrict, the scope for investment here. But fortunately, the Ministry of Commerce and Industry under Mr. Piyush Goyal is now taking steps to streamline these regulations and make it possible that it is no longer a slogan, ease of doing business.
Absolutely.
So far it has remained a slogan.
Right.
But now practical steps are being taken, to ensure that really there should be an ease. And ease can only come if you have rational regulation.
Absolutely.
And minimum regulation.